This is Mustaq Ali once again for you. I'm here with my new subject, very important subject that each and every person has to know what is culpable homicide, which crimes are done, and it is considered as culpable homicide. It's very dangerous crimes. It is very dangerous offences. Okay. See, here culpable means a criminal. Homicide means a human being killing another human being. A human being insists to kill another human being. Abetment. Maybe you can say abetment. The person is abetting another person to kill another person. A is abetting B to kill C. Okay. Here it is known as culpable. The crimes under culpable homicide. It is known as culpable under homicide. Section 299 of IPC speaks about what is culpable homicide. See here, the intention of a person which cause human death, which arises a human death, or bodily injuries which may take to human death, known as culpable homicide. This section 299 clearly speaks. You have to identify what is section 299. Culpable homicide falls under section 299. Whoever caused death by doing an act with the intention of causing the death. With the intention of causing the death. You have to note this point. See, it's a very important point. With the intention of causing the death, or the intention of causing bodily injuries as it likely to cause death. Bodily injuries as it likely to cause death. It will take to death. Those kind of injuries are very dangerous. So it is considered as culpable homicide. Here I will tell with you an example. I will give one illustrations which will clearly you can identify what is culpable homicide crimes. See, if A is there, he knows he dig a pit and he put some sticks and some floor area has been covered. But he knows there is a pit. If anybody falls under the pit, then there must be any death will cause or any bodily injuries cause which is very dangerous, which may cause to death. He knows that. Here intention of A is to kill somebody. See, he is covering the area where there is a dig. Where there is a dig, there is a pit. He is covering the area and asking somebody to come. If B comes that side and falls under that pit, then then B causes some bodily injuries which may cause us to death, or he falls under and he died. Then those crimes known as culpable homicide. A intentionally wants somebody to fall in that pit, so her intention, these crimes is known as culpable homicide. Here the intention of A is culpable homicide. This is the first illustrations of section 299. There are three explanations are there. Here I am giving first illustration. I will give another illustration in section 301. Section 301 it says culpable homicide may be committed by causing the death of a person whom the offender did not intend to kill. Whom the offender did not intend to kill. Here the second illustration I will tell you. For example, if A asks B to shoot at the bush. If A wants to ask B to shoot at the bush, and A knows that C is hiding behind the bush. A knows C is hiding behind the bush. And B, whatever A says, B shoot at the bush and it caused the death of the C. But because A doesn't know whether C is there, this is hiding the C. But B doesn't know whether the C is hiding behind the bush. But here A knows. While shooting by B and it causes to death of C, then the intent of B is not to kill C, but the intent of A is to kill C. Here the culpable homicide arises by A, not by B. So section 301 speaks about the intention where the offender did not intend to kill. Okay. Now section 304, punishment for culpable homicide, not amounting to murder. Not amounting to murder. It is the imprisonment of life or imprisonment of 10 years. Imprisonment of life or imprisonment of 10 years or fine. Okay. Life imprisonment will be there, or 10 years imprisonment or fine. If the offence comes under class 1 and 2, if the offence falls under class 1 and 2, the same offence falls under class 3, then the imprisonment for 10 years or fine or both will be applicable for culpable homicide under section 304. Okay. So this is an important subject. Each and every person has to be know which offences falls under culpable homicide. And see, this subjects, if you are able to know, then you can easily differentiate what is culpable homicide and what is murder. Why we are not getting that much punishment in culpable homicide, and for murder we are getting punishment more than culpable homicide. Why it is? So you have to differentiate. You have to know what is culpable homicide. Then you can able to identify what is murder. Okay. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon and like button. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.